Start. Today, guys, we're gonna do chlorine into the pool. So let's go. Should we take the sticker off? It says chlorine, Clorox pool and spa. Is it hard to open, Dad? There we go. I almost threw up for a second. Dad, I almost threw up. But I'm okay. Do you hear the birds, Dad? 'Cause I do. Dad, do you hear the birds? I did not hear you. See, there's water. There's no water. Here. Hold on. Dad, how is it still making noise? Is there air? Well, how come you don't feel any air?
Not that much. Watch out.
I also want to be quiet so I can hear it. Quiet. It's not making noise, Dad. I thought it was. Maybe you should have it turned this on, Dad.
Not right now.
Well, you did turn it on.
There's water. Hold on.
So just in case if you guys cannot hear the motor, I'll put the camera right here and the camera right here so you guys can hear both of them. So it's turn on and off, so yeah. But it's gonna be very loud, guys. Just in case if it's loud, turn down your volumes. So it's sturdy again, bro. That's the second time. Dad, why is it green?
Turn that on all the way.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm making everybody hear it. Turn on. Here goes. That was awesome. I turned it on all the way high. Just try your best to not get my tablet wet. So it's gonna be a while. What? I know. It's the stupid dog that broke it. It was Isla. So. It just farted. Dad. There's air. There's air going through the hose. That was so funny, guys. I just laughed. What? What? I know. I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna be there in a sec. It's almost done. I just want to get your shot.
I know. So I'm gonna move these, so I'm gonna try my best to move these so I can put my camera right there. If not, then I just have to go on that side and put it there so you can hear it. Here, let me see something. I know. I'll put it right here. As long as the video doesn't stop. Dad, are you done? Okay. Okay, the video is going, so it's not gonna stop the video. Hold on. I thought I saw something. My bad. Alright. Okay, I think we're good to go. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera and we'll continue with Dad, so. So guys, this right here, that's the motor. And this right here, that's the pump. It also has a motor. I'll show you what it looks like. Guys, I'm sure you know what it looks like, so. What's that noise? Guys, if you want to read this, go ahead and pause the video. Alright. Well, the noise is gonna get quiet. The Polaris PB4SQ booster pump. This also has a motor. Cause I've heard the noise coming from the cause I've heard it coming from the noise. Cause I don't know why it was making a squeaking noise, but it should be the pump. I don't know. You done? You done? Okay. Yeah, let me turn off the water.
I don't need you to turn it off.
Why?
Open the gate.
It just closed.
Open it all the way, bud. Yeah, pull the rest of that hose through.
Alright. Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, turn it on, dude. I gotta do the other filters.
Okay. I'm gonna put the camera right here so everybody can hear it more. Tell me when you're ready, Dad. You didn't tell me. Oh well. We'll have to wait again. Dad, do you hear the birds? Dad, I'm touching your hair. It's just soft, Dad. That's a tattoo. Don't. Here. I can hear the birds. Oh my God, bro. Stop. That was my finger. I'm sorry, guys. Dude, I just saw that. Here, I'm gonna put the camera right here. Alright. Here. Now let's move the camera. Right here.
Too early for noise, bro.
I know, Dad. I'm gonna move in the camera. Again. Well, I think everybody can see it, so I don't need to move the camera. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, I don't know if you can see it. You guys can see it, okay. You guys can zoom in the video if you want on YouTube, so. And we gotta do this again. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, just in case if it's small. Zoom it in like this. Alright. Or you can just tap it like this. So yeah. Alright, this may be a while. I'm just gonna stay here while I wait. Hey, Dad. Tell me when you're done. So I can turn it on. The pump. Dude, I can see the other side. It's pretty cool. I can see the other houses from the fence. So. That was fake. Guys, that was actually fake. It was fake. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. I'll make it a little brighter. Right. No, I messed it up. I don't want it bright, so I'm just gonna put it right here. I don't care anymore. Alright. I guess you're done. You got the fence wet. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I can hear the birds.
Still hear them?
Yeah. Can it be annoying, Dad?
Oh, birds are peaceful. I told you that. It's nature.
Well, Dad, I thought yesterday you said, when I asked you the question, can the noise be annoying? I remember you said yes, but now you said no.
I probably misunderstood you, Reese.
What?
I probably misunderstood you, dude.
Yeah. Nature.
Nature, dude.
Some people like bird sounds, some people don't. Hear me, Dad?
Yeah, well, I think it's peaceful.
I know. Because it's nature. We can hear the birds, we just cannot see it. It should be in the trees. That sounds like a turd. I heard the moaning dove. I heard the moaning dove. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Okay, it's right here. It's right there. Why does it look like a pelican? It's right there. You just can see it. It's just very small. That's funny. Alright. I was just laughing, Dad.
I told you it's too early.
I know.
Wake the neighbors up. They're gonna get mad.
I know, Dad. I get it. Looks like a candle. Candle. Looks like a candle. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. I was zooming out in and out the camera extremely fast. Flowers. Yeah. That was actually fake, guys. I'm sorry. I just like being funny. Oh, there are the birds right there. It's extremely smaller this time. Shh. You guys can hear it. I don't know where it's coming from. Dude, Dad, I see that's the mourning dove. I can see it. It's on the thing. I don't know what that's called. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. Dad, I was making a silly face to the viewers. And see if you can get that ball out. Dad, I just saw it moving, Dad. It's spinning. Hey, Dad, I wonder if there's a way to get the ball out.
I don't know, Reese, but I'm not trying to get it out. I'm trying to make my pool look good, buddy.
I know.
Jump in there and get it.
No. Too cold. Let me see. Goggles. Let me see something. See if I have mine. I don't know if it's in here. Okay.
Alright, turn it on.
Alright, hold on. Let me put the camera here so everybody can hear.
Watch out for spiders, dude. There's black widows in here. I've already told you that.
I know. Don't turn it on.
Go ahead, turn it on.
You know. I felt it that. I turned on number 1. Hold on. I'm gonna put the camera right here so everybody can hear the pump. Right here. Right here. Okay, it should turn on any moment. Okay. Dad, I can hear the pump making the noise. It has a motor. Yeah, why does the pump have a motor? The booster pump.
Yeah, I don't know why it's got two.
Doesn't need to, but it does anyway.
It needs two, and they wouldn't have sold me two.
So the booster pump might connect to the vacuum and the waterfall. I guess we're done.
You gotta paint this fence. You wanna paint this fence with me?
No. Dad, I think we're done. Dad? I think we're done. Are we done?
Yeah.
Alright, let me end the video. Don't go in. Bye guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There it goes, and that is it.